Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevy Bel Air, a perfect blend of classic nostalgia and modern innovation. Let's explore what makes this beauty stand out. The 2025 Chevy Bel Air reimagines a legendary nameplate with a fresh, modern approach. Under the hood, it features a powerful 3.0L twin-turbo V6, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. For eco-conscious drivers, Chevrolet also offers a hybrid version with a combined output of 450 horsepower, blending power with efficiency. At the front, the Bel Air boasts a bold grille inspired by its 1950s heritage, featuring chrome accents and an illuminated Chevy emblem. The sleek LED headlights wrap around the fenders, giving the car a futuristic yet retro appeal. Below, the sculpted bumper integrates large air intakes for better aerodynamics and cooling. Moving to the side, the Coupe's streamlined silhouette is complemented by a sloping roofline that enhances its aerodynamic efficiency. The 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels provide a sporty stance, while the chrome-trimmed side glass pays homage to classic Bel Air models. The flush door handles maintain a sleek and uninterrupted design, adding a modern touch to this retro-inspired ride. At the rear, LED taillights feature a classic dual-lens design reminiscent of the 1957 model. A subtle lip spoiler blends into the trunk lid, and the rear bumper houses dual exhaust tips, reinforcing its performance capabilities. The 2025 Bel Air perfectly balances nostalgia and contemporary design, making it a head-turner on the road. Inside, the 2025 Chevy Bel Air welcomes you with a luxurious, driver-centric cabin that blends vintage charm with state-of-the-art technology. The dashboard features a mix of soft-touch materials, aluminum trim, and a classic horizontal layout reminiscent of the original Bel Air. A 12.3-inch LCD infotainment screen takes center stage, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. The side doors are adorned with retro-style chrome handles, soft leather panels, and customizable ambient lighting for a premium feel. The gear selector adopts a modern rotary dial system, while the start button is elegantly integrated into the center console, illuminating with a soft blue glow when pressed. The steering wheel is a perfect fusion of old and new, featuring a classic two-spoke design with a digital display embedded in the center. It includes controls for cruise settings, media, and voice commands, ensuring convenience at your fingertips. The front seats offer a mix of comfort and sportiness, upholstered in premium leather with heating and ventilation functions. In the back, the Bel Air surprises with individual rear seats, separated by a foldable table with built-in cup holders and wireless charging capabilities. The spacious rear ensures passengers travel in comfort, even on long journeys. Cargo space is surprisingly generous for a coupe, with a deep trunk that can accommodate luggage, golf bags, or weekend getaway essentials. Chevy has carefully crafted an interior that celebrates classic aesthetics while embracing cutting-edge technology, making the 2025 Bel Air a standout in both style and functionality. The 2025 Chevy Bel Air starts at approximately $42,000 for the base model, with the hybrid variant priced around $50,000. With its combination of performance, luxury, and nostalgic design, the Bel Air offers excellent value for those looking for a unique and stylish ride. The 2025 Chevy Bel Air perfectly blends classic charm with modern performance, making it an irresistible choice for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews here on Road Ready Review.